Hello, welcome to our channel for rprogramming. In this video, we will talk about graphs in R as objects and save graphs. So usually we use ggplot from ggplot2 package to plot some different figures in rprogramming, and you can take the graph as an object because ggplot function is a chained command. So for each chaining step you can save as an object. So sometimes you can save, for example, 2 steps with the function as an object. Then you can use this object to chain further with another function, step by step. You can also save to a disk. For example, here we use ggplot for the data frame, income, and the mapping between the variable years and salary. So we focus on these 2 variables relationship in the figure, then plot a scatter plot between these 2 variables with the size and the color. So we can save this command to an object. Then you just print this object same as you print this ggplot function, right? So we can use this object saved as an object, then change with a new function. So this function is add a smooth line. Then also we add a labels from a change function further, then save to new object. Then you can just print this object's name to plot. So next we will show working in RStudio. So first we load ggplot2 package, then set the working directory, and we load and CSV file from the working directory to create a data frame called income. And we set several variables as a factor variable. So next you can assign this ggplot function with a ggplot function to this object plot1. Then we just click plot1, then it will show the plot, a scatter plot between salary and years. Then we go step further. With this plot1 object chained with a new function smooth line with a linear regression type, then chain it together with another function labs with a title assigned. Then we can just print this. So now scatter plot with a smooth line added and with the label. So save as graph in your working computer is very easy. You can use export here in the plot window from RStudio. You can also use a command called ggsave with the file name, PNG file, and can set the size, and the input is plot2 here, object. We just run. So now the working directory has this saved figure. Same as in RStudio. You can also download the source files from this GitHub link. You can also visit our ggplot website rdatacode.com. Thanks for watching and subscribing our channel.